When I was living in Canada, life felt non-stop. Work was hectic, long shifts, back-to-back duties, barely any time to catch my breath. One day, I finally got a break. I met up with a few friends. We were all tired but excited. We needed something different. So we made a quick plan. A trip to Toronto to see the CN Tower and Ripley's Aquarium. It was in the evening. We stood at Port Hope Station waiting for the train. It was cold, but we didn't care. There was something refreshing about just standing there, knowing something good was ahead. The train ride was fun. We talked, jogged around, took pictures. It felt good to be out of our usual routine. Just the ride itself was a break from the usual rush. When we reached Toronto, the first thing we want to see was the CN Tower. It is one of the tallest structures in the world. And when you are standing at the top, the whole city stretches out beneath you. It makes you feel small, but in a good way. We made our way to Ripley's Aquarium, just a short walk from the tower. Ripley's Aquarium of Canada, located right in the heart of downtown Toronto, next to the CN Tower. It is one of the city's most popular attractions. It's home to over 20,000 aquatic animals from all around the world, from tiny, glowing jellyfishes to massive sharks. The underwater tunnel was incredible. Fish floated above us like they were flying. For a while, we forgot everything else and just enjoyed the moment. The highlight for most visitors is the Dangerous Lagoon, an underwater tunnel with a moving walkway where you can see sharks, stingrays, the sea turtles swimming right over your head. It feels like walking through the oceans without getting wet. Inside our place, it felt like we stepped into another world. There were all kinds of sea creatures, sharks, stingrays, jellyfish, swimming all around us. There are also touch pools where you can gently feel stingrays and horseshoe crabs, and a planet jellies exhibit filled with glowing jellyfish in color changing lights. It's both peaceful and surreal. Ripples isn't just for kids. It's a calm, magical experience for anyone who wants to slow down and get a closer look at the underwater world.